Safety is a huge part of the construction industry, and good safety saves money, and it's good for building your brand, and it's good for your people, and it's just good business.
We needed to bring contractors together to network, to try and find a way to share information and innovations with safety to improve the lot of the workers, with the thrust and the main goal of just how do we reduce injuries or eliminate injuries as best we can.
Most of the companies that we've been working with and that are part of the supply sector, they want to know what they could do better. They want to make sure that their employees come home at night to their families.
It's a community of people working for what they now understand really is the good for their own companies, but also the best for the industry.
The safety of our employees is always number one, and being proactive gives us the benefit of being industry leaders.
We advocate for our people, what we would like to see invested, where should it be invested, how should it be invested, again to maintain safe roads, build safe bridges, and the infrastructure throughout British Columbia.
The very first safety committee meeting, nobody showed up. And one of the staff members said to me at the time, well, that's pretty much safety. If you're the chair, you'll be it, and you and I'll go to the meetings and that'll be it. And I just couldn't fathom that when everybody had to deal with safety on a day-to-day basis. In the early years, there were big gains. There were big reductions in the number of incidents, the cost of incidents, the duration. We had great success, and now it really challenges us as an industry to continue to improve, which means really getting to the root of a core culture of safety. It means more training at all levels. It's absolutely critical that employees see that senior management embrace safety as a #1 priority, and if you don't demonstrate that, it really negates anything you say about safety.
With that is everybody goes home at the end of the shift in as good a condition as they did when they came to shift.
We introduced a field-level hazard assessment card that all workers fill out when they first start every job and when they shift tasks during the day. Very important. It really has got great buy-in from our crews, and it always impresses me that when I go to visit a site, I usually have 1 or 2 people hustle right over to me and say, Mike, we need you to sign the FLHA card. And that has really been evidence that the crews have bought into it, and we can really see it in our results. Our incidents are way down. It's really been a good safety improvement for us, and something that is going to continue on in perpetuity.
Companies that have become core certified are safer companies, and safer companies mean fewer accidents. Fewer accidents mean people get to come to work, work a full day, and go home to work in the same condition that they came to work.
We're having less accidents. All the players that are involved in the core have shown a huge safety improvement, and it provides great benefits to our companies and our employees.
I always talk with my workers, our employees, that we just want them to come to work. We want them to feel like they've accomplished something great in a day, and that they can go home to their families in the same condition that they came to work in. In other words, they're not injured, and that gives me the greatest satisfaction of everything. It's just the safety of the workers is absolutely paramount.
Safety is everyone's responsibility. It starts at the top, but if you have my back and you're watching out for safety risks for me and I'm doing that for you, it's like a family.